Hi guys, how you doing? Pepe just did 10x and I'm gonna show you how. And the big question is what's gonna happen next, guys. The big question is what's gonna happen next. Are we gonna do 100x? What's gonna happen next with Pepe? Now the market cap at Pepe is not that high, so I don't believe this is the top. Unfortunately, there might come some kind of signs that we might go in some kind of consolidation period before it continues pumping towards upside. But it's always nice to know that when the first guys down here that bought are getting 10x, there will be some profit taking. So the way I see right now, there might actually come some profit taking over here on Pepe. You can see up here a lot of buying happening right now. The volume is also going towards upside. While this is going, this last move going towards the volume is going towards downside, while the price is going towards upside, which is a little bit sketchy move. But nothing is actually technically wrong just yet. But if you go into small time frames, this is actually where we try to find out whether we are hitting some kind of top or not. What you're gonna see here on the chart is that the trends have been broken. So this was the first trend over here towards the upside. You can see up here how we went towards upside, broke that, and then went and retested that. And that happened the second time as well. There was the trend over here that went towards upside. We broke that, and then we retested over here towards the upside. This is very normal moves, and these do happen a lot of time. So when you break this trend, oftentimes you pull back, you consolidate. You can see up here, as soon as we actually did this, we consolidated, we broke the trend over here, we consolidated over here. So there is right now this another trend over here that goes something like this over here. So if we break that, we can assume that there might come another consolidation up here before we do another move towards upside over here. It all depends, but the volume has been going on entire move towards upside up here, so we are getting to some kind of very toppy signal. And it's always very scary when stuff is pumping like 20% every single day, because it can just continue pumping, right? But the only thing I'm trying to say is that the thing did 10x, guys. You bought down here at the bottom, you got 10x right now. So if you go down to the bottom, to the top is 1011% over here, to the close right now is actually exactly 1000%. That's actually 11x, right? 900% is 10x, so 1000% is actually 11x. But let's just say that this over here right now, it's hitting the 10x top up here. It is a very psychological level over here towards the upside, around right now. Where is that right now at? That's right now at 71.96, something like that. So there might just come a time right now where we actually consolidate up here for a little bit longer time and then go towards upside again. The bull market is not yet over. The retail is not here yet. I think it's gonna continue. Unfortunately, it is a little bit scary. Now we can definitely continue pumping towards upside, and this can actually go something like 20x or something like that towards upside, because it all depends how much sellers there are, right? If there are no sellers, then the price doesn't consolidate. If there are sellers, then the price consolidates or pulls back a little bit towards the downside. But it's getting a little scary territory, because this is 10x. Now it does look very, very nice, and it's still pumping towards upside. And if you look at on daily time frame, you can not actually see any kind of tops just yet. We got some kind of overextended levels over here. Momentum is building up very, very fastly. Over here we are going, but I might believe that we are right now coming to some kind of very close top levels over here. And it should be interesting to see how this is actually going to play out, right? This channel up here, I'm a little bit skeptical on this channel. I don't know if it goes something like this over here, something like that. Maybe still going towards upside, but it does look nice. Unfortunately, it's always look nice until it actually breaks down, right? So we're trying to look for these first signs of any kind of toppy signal, stuff like that. And like I just showed, like the trend has been already broken 2 times, right? Increase the trend up here towards upside. The secondary trend up here broke towards downside. This right now is the third trend. Now the trend is still not broken, as long as it's actually pumping up here towards upside. It's all good. But if it breaks this towards downside, we can again expect some kind of consolidation periods before it actually starts moving again. And until Bitcoin hits new all-time high at 90, 100k, whatever that's gonna be, 200k, it's all good and dandy, guys. It's all good and dandy. The Pepe is gonna prevail everything. Down below in the comments, there are 2 links. There is TF Fans Club public group and private group. The private group, the Telegram chat, the good stuff. If you want to know, which coins are about to pump, which coins are not about to pump, we do altcoins daily video for the members. And there's also a public Telegram channel. If you just want to be somewhere and talk about coins, you know, look what other people are buying, selling, post memes, you know, check that out. Check it out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you around. Bye bye. Where is my outro?